Welcome to Everything's Major. Hey guys, welcome back to Everything's Major. It's seafood time. I hope you guys took your blood pressure pills. If not, go get them. I'm playing. No, I'm not. But let's dive into my major Cajun fried seafood Fiesta platter. On the menu we have snow crab legs, lobster tails, mussels, and jumbo shrimp. For our sides we have potatoes, corn, sausage, and lemon wedges. The seasoning we're going to use is salt, seasoning salt, Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning, onion and garlic powder, Mrs. lemon pepper seasoning, parsley, and cracked black pepper. First things first, clean and devein your seafood before seasoning. Then you'll want to cut the top of the lobster tail. Then flip it on its backside to loosen up the meat. Try to loosen the meat from the shell while keeping the shell still intact. Then pull the meat out of the tail, lying it on top of the shell. Season all seafood, potato, corn, and sausage. After seafood is nice and clean, sprinkle on some fish fry all over the seafood. The one I use is a sodium-free one called Wonderful. Now it's time for our wet batter. You'll want to combine 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of sparkling water, 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. For our dry mix, use 3 cups of flour and 1/2 cup of cornmeal. Blend all together. Then season flour with Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, sweet smoked paprika, and black pepper. Dip your shrimp, snow crab legs, lobster tail in egg mixture, and then into your flour mixture. Fry until golden brown. You'll know when your seafood is ready when it floats to the top. Add seafood onto wire rack or pan to rest. My mom made a cameo appearance getting the last bit of snow crabs out for me. Thank you, Mommy! When potatoes, corn, and sausage is done, top off with a little Mrs. lemon pepper seasoning and parsley. Now, garnish your seafood with lemon, pepper seasoning, and parsley. With a splash of freshly squeezed lemon and a big splash of homemade lemon pepper butter. My entire family loved this seafood platter, and I promise you, yours will too. Enjoy and have fun. This ends our episode of Everything's Major. Like always, it's always a treat when the majors meet. I'll see you next time. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.